This will be my first vlog style type video. So this is going to be a day in the life. I'll just take you on a couple things I want to do. One thing that I really want to do is buy a pickup truck today. The auction is going on today, but it is online. I'm going to check out the vehicles in person before I purchase. And then I'll take you guys with me. I'll probably go to the gym, sit in the sauna, hot tub, and try and have a productive day. So after the gym, auction's going to start. I'll probably pick up 1 or 2 cars today. I might not pick up anything. It just really depends on the prices. It has to make sense for me. And then after the gym, I'll probably go ahead and get some food. And then that'll be pretty much my entire day. That's literally like, a whole 12, 16 hours. So yeah, this is the morning. It is, as you can see right now, 7:08. It's pretty early. So we're going to go ahead and get the day started. The first win will be heading straight to the gym. And today I'm working on chest and tries, so it should be a pretty good day. So I am on a bid for a 2019 Audi A4 Premium Plus, and it only has 82,000 miles. Right now I'm going to go ahead and show you. The bid is at 15.8, and I am the highest bidder. I just wanted something slight, like a little daily that I could go ahead and drive and then eventually give to someone. This was a CPR, ran the Carfax, no accidents, very clean vehicle, black on black. Let me see if I can show you the pictures. As you can see, it lets you run the engine down on a cold start. Let's hear the engine. These turbos, 4 cylinders, are pretty good, to tell you the truth, especially the newer ones. I know the older ones did have issues. Oh, my bad. My thing was off the screen. But yeah, these are pretty clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. I just don't like that tan headliner. But like I said, 82,000 miles. It was a CPO, 2 keys. This one is ready to go. If you knew me personally, you would know I'm very heavy into cologne. These are just some that I have in my room, but this one right here actually is really fire. It's actually from the TikTok shop. This is not sponsored, but if you're just trying to smell good, this right here is a really good daily. But I have some that are downstairs that I really put on a lot daily all the time, and they smell really good. I'll go show you. This Creed right here is absolutely, Benji, shut up, bro. This Creed right here is absolutely fire. And then I also got this something called Side Effect. This man Duke Dennis recommended. This shit is absolutely fire too. So now I'm about to walk my dog real quick, and then I'm gonna be heading to the gym today. I got chest and tries, like I said earlier, so it should be a really good workout. It's one of my favorite days to work out. And then yeah, I'll go ahead and move from there. I'll probably go pick up that Audi because I am the highest bidder, and usually on a Dessa Clear, nobody really bids you again. Sometimes like within the last 10 minutes they will outbid you, but this one I think I'm going to get because it ran last week. So I'm going to just pick it up and then have it as a daily, put some miles on it. Not really care about it. Do the oil change, regular maintenance on it, but it had brand new tires, so it was ready to go. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. I'm going to go hit the gym first. Might put some food in my stomach, and then we'll go from there. But this dude might have been one of the best decisions I've ever made. Just a loyal dog, man. Having a dog with you, bro, it's just different. So right now I'm on the way to actually go ahead and get ready to go to the gym. I am still the highest bidder on this car. I went ahead and ate some food. I take this thing is called a symbioticseed.com. This is not sponsored, but it does help your gut health a lot. I've had gut issues in the past, and that's really helped a lot. So now, like I said, I'm on the way to the gym. I don't do any pre-workout or anything like that. Honestly, I haven't been on my supplement journey in a while, but I do have some supplements coming in like L-glutamine and things for digestion health. And then after the workout, I'll go pick up my new 2019 Audi. Hopefully, I'm the highest bidder. Is right now the bid's at 15.8. Nobody's bid against me, and I think the car is easily worth like 18. You know what I'm saying? 18, 17.5. That way, I make 3 G's, which is I think really worth it. I need to sell this Audi S4, but the title isn't in yet, and I also need to sell my Subaru Impreza. But if you are interested in getting your dealer license, you're ready to go ahead and get started right now. It's the top link in my bio. That's where you can get started with my school community. That's where I go ahead and teach you about the different packages that I offer, prices, and I go in depth on training on how to be successful with your dealer license. It's a bunch of content inside of it that you could take advantage of, resources, Carfax reports, things like that. And a lot of my clients have become extremely successful from it, just like these testimonials right here, and then like the testimonials I post in every other video. But like if you're ready to really start this journey and take it serious, you want to learn more, like I said, there is a fee, but I have a whole bunch of free resources online. You go through my YouTube, you go through my Instagram, my TikTok. I've been giving out resources for the last almost 2 years. I'm coming up on 2 years in October since I started doing this. So go ahead and subscribe as well. Turn on bell notifications. This will help get this video pushed out to more people interested in getting their dealer license and things like that. And also don't forget to leave a like as well. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you for watching so far. So look, I did not bring in my camera because it's a little bit too big, but I'm gonna go over exactly what I did today in the gym. First thing I did was chest. I did bench press. I did 5 sets of 5, heavy weight. Then I went ahead and did chest flies. I went underhand and overhand. And then after that, I went ahead and did some free weights. I did curls, tricep extensions, and I also did some dips and push-ups after that. But right now, I'm finishing up on the leg extensions. So you see, I'm trying to get my legs built up. Look kind of built right now, but after this, I'm gonna go pick up my car. This is like what I do for my cool down, you know, after working out. I like to get some steps in. I like to at least have like 10,000 steps a day. A lot of people lacking that. They only get 3,000 to 4,000. That's not gonna do anything for you. So I'll come out to this turf, do laps, get some vitamin D. It feels really good. In one of my past videos, I talked about how important fitness is to me, especially when it comes to business, discipline, and growth. Like, I continue to push my body to those limits every single day just so that I know that, you know, I can do it, you know? Like, there was a point last summer, for example, I was drinking beer, I was drinking a lot of alcohol, and then I looked in the mirror at myself and I was like, what the fuck? I look like I got a dad bod. Ever since then, I've been consistent in the gym. You know, I got a little 6-pack, and you know, it's one thing that, like, I feel like with business, just fucking bugs out here, they're called fucking weevils and shit, but one thing I think that's extremely important is your health, and continue to maintain your health, especially if you're trying to grow when it comes to financially and also physically. It all plays a factor into. I told you in one of my last videos that it's called the 3 pillars of life. First, you got to work on your physical, teach you discipline. Then you got to work on your mental, teach you resilience. Then you got to also work on your financial. But once you get those first 2 things mastered, everything else will follow. Okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and sit in the sauna for a little bit, and then we're gonna go switch over to my other camera. First W of the day, finally finished. Gonna hop into the S4. I got the Urus in the garage, but I probably should drive the Urus today, to tell you the truth. Probably drive the Urus for the rest of the day, like going to go pick up the car, things like that. But yeah, I'm still on bid for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my camera so you guys can see the bid. Let me unlock this. Let me show you the interior of this bitch real quick. This shit is hard as hell. Deadpool. Okay, so now we're in the S4. About to go. Probably gonna make some food real quick. I got some ground turkey that I had, and then maybe make some mashed potatoes and some keeper. Trying to have like a more tightened up diet. I got some ground chicken. Keep it clean. I know I could be eating like beef and steaks all day, but you know, steak is not good for you, bro, to tell you the truth. So let me go ahead and show you real quick where the bid status is. I don't think anybody bid on me over me, so we got 35 minutes and I'm still the highest bidder. 33 minutes until we find out. So I think 15.8, and then with fees it might come out to a little bit more, but I'm cool with that. It's all good. See, me personally, I like having cars that I can just like, that are just frontline ready, you know, ready to go, you know, that I don't have to take to my mechanic. And, you know, I could take it to my mechanic, no problem. But, you know, it's just like annoying, you know what I'm saying? I got to do, I think I need to fix the AC compressor on my Subaru. But the Subaru, like, it's weird, bro. Like, sometimes the AC work and sometimes it don't. But I know it's probably because of the bad AC compressor. So right now I'm gonna go on the way home, make some food. I got some cantaloupe and shit like that. And then after that, we'll know if I got the car or not. Then I'm gonna go call an Uber to pick the car up. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. I'll take it out. I'll give you guys a 360 on the vehicle. I'll try to record in the auction. The general manager does not like me recording, and I'll be trying to, like, if I was a general manager at an auction, I'll be best friends with a content creator because it'll bring so much publicity and more auction fees and more eyeballs on the auction. Like, I don't know, she should just partner up with me, but yeah, I hope she don't see this, but it's whatever. I'll just go ahead and record inside the car and outside the auction. So I'll let you know, and I'll keep you guys posted. Got the Urus right here. I'm about to get rid of this joint soon though, bro. They just depreciate too fast. All cars depreciate, but the luxury vehicles, they depreciate just faster. Like me having this car over the last 6 months, I probably lost like $20,000. But it's all good. It's great for marketing, and you know, it's a really great looking car, honestly. So now we got figure out what the fuck I'm about to eat. What I'm gonna do is, cause I told y'all I'm big on, like, you know, gut health. So what we're gonna do is have some, I'm thinking aloe juice right here. I got some aloe juice I'm gonna have. And then I'm also gonna do, I got some ground turkey I'm gonna have. And then I'm either gonna do scrambled or fried egg, but I think I'm gonna go with scrambled today. And then I also have, I got some sourdough toast. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Let's check it out. I'm still trying to figure out how to work this camera, bro. This is like making some weird ass angles, but yep, I got the sourdough bread right here. But I might just do the fresh sourdough bread. We got a little bit left right here. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and have a banana. I got this right here too. But I'm gonna just have a banana. Bananas are right. I think I'm also having avocado. If I have any left. Avocados torch. Oh damn. I don't have any more avocado on that. Avocado. Then I guess I'll just do applesauce. Organic. And then yeah, we'll do the eggs, aloe vera, turkey, banana. We're gonna have a healthy sort of kind of meal. Making the pan out. Let's see. Still waiting on the vehicle. We got 20 minutes to really figure out if I won the bid or not, but I don't think it's gonna bid against me because I purchased this vehicle, or this vehicle was running last week. So I don't think that I will lose a bid on this vehicle. I think if anything, I'm gonna win it. And then yeah, so let me go ahead and make breakfast. I'll show you guys after I'm done. All right, just got done. As you can see, I got bananas, eggs, ground turkey, some applesauce, and aloe vera juice. And then I might do some kefir at the end to top it off. But this is what I'm about to eat right now to maintain my physique. So I did not end up getting the Audi that I initially started this video about. I ended up getting something completely different. Just for the content purposes, I'm gonna take this car and you know, really try and show you guys everything when it comes to the auction. But as you can see, I got a 2014 Mercedes-Benz S550, and then with 124,000 miles. Low key kind of disappointed. It's a very clean car, high CR, but I just kind of got it in a way because I just wanted to get something to have in inventory. And like, you know, the more the merrier in a way. Somebody will buy this. I paid what, $14,500 in it. I think it's worth like $17,000 to $18,000 retail on Carfax. It's got the peanut butter and tiller. Silver on peanut butter is pretty dope. But then what happened was I was not paying attention on the A4 and I got outbid by one person. It's all good though. There wasn't that much margin on the A4 either. Maybe $1,500 to $2,000 in profit. That's what happens when you get frontline ready vehicles like this. But other than that, everything's been pretty straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this car, waiting on my ride right now and waiting for Odessa to process the transaction. So I'll get back to you guys. So this is how we're stepping out to the auction. I got a white beater on, some pajama pants. I don't know if this fucking camera will show you. Some pajama pants. And I'm also wearing my Sky Dweller as well. Just some chill shit. You know, it's a Monday. Just got done working out. Just ate some food. So I'm going to go pick this car up. We're going to go take a look at it. See the features are on. And then see what needs to get done. Then we'll come back to my computer. See any parts I need to order. I think I do need to order a side mirror. I'll go ahead and probably order a side mirror from Rock Auto if they have it. If not, it'll have to be on eBay. And then we'll go from there. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm about to get picked up right now to go get the vehicle at the moment. So I'm on the way right now to actually go pick up the S550 that I didn't even really want to get, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna still be able to sell it. It's not a problem at all. So I'll tap in when I'm there at the auction. I already told you guys that I cannot record there because they banned me there from recording. So I'll let you know how it goes. All right, I just picked this up. This is it. I do need to get something fixed. As soon as I got in it, I figured out what it was. It's actually the air conditioning isn't working, but it's also missing this emblem right here. I could get another one, but yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty clean. It looks like blue at some angles. Pretty sure it's a silver. And then it's also to, you can see, oh shit, flipped it on me. Let's see. You can also see that it's got the peanut butter interior. It's like a cognac. But the AC definitely does not work in this joint, so I gotta get that fixed. So it's definitely something wrong with the AC compressor, yo, because air is not even coming out. So it's probably gonna need a completely new compressor. It's probably gonna run, you know, used a couple $100, get it put in for a couple $100, it'd be like $600 to get it up and running. And but everything else is really nice. I'm over here, I got the windows up, but yeah, everything else is really nice. I mean, this is, brakes feel like they're brand new. Stops on a dime. It's just hot as shit in here. Y'all look at me right now, bro. I'm fucking, it's like a sauna. I just got done showering too. This shit crazy. But other than that, the AC not working. This is a really nice car. I'm about to connect my phone, see if we can get some music playing. But as you can hear it a little bit. Yeah. It comes on and then it turns off. It's crazy. And another thing, this is my first Mercedes. I bought my first Mercedes. Well, I bought older Mercedes. I guess this is like a newer one. It is 11 years old, but I bought like C300, but this is my first S-Class. And I just wanted to try something new. I think this will sell really fast. I clean it up, take really good interior pictures. Somebody picked this up for 16 grand. Like, come on, it's an S-Class. And you know, especially if I clean it up. It's got 2 owners, very clean title. So yeah, put a new AC compressor in this joint and then it'll be all good to go. So I just finally got it home. It actually does look like a blue. This shit is baby blue like shit. I didn't even know, bro. I bought this bitch online. That shit crazy. So I do need to get tires, it looks like, as well. This shit needs an AC compressor, hot as fuck. I'm gonna get it towed out of here. I'll teach you guys what I do for my tow. I do use AAA. They tow my vehicles. But this right here, you can see it's got the shades. Also, that passenger side window does not roll down, so it might need a driving actuator. I'm gonna get it towed to my mechanic and he'll let me know what it needs, and then I'll go ahead and order the parts. I'll show you guys how to do that. But I bought this all in right now. I'm $14,300. I think by the end of it, I'll be in it for about $1,500. I mean $15,000. So I'm back in the crib right now. There's a couple things that I'm gonna have to go over with it when it comes to this 2014 Mercedes-Benz S550. And honestly, I kind of fucked up with this car because I bought it unseen. I didn't look at it. So the passenger side window doesn't work and the AC compressor is completely bad. Like there's no air coming out of it at all. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and give my mechanic a call and just see what he can do to actually help me with this issue. This is my first Mercedes-Benz I've ever bought, and I'm $14,300 in it at the moment. This might have been a dumbass day, and you know, it's all good because the car is clean. Really doesn't have any issues other than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it to my mechanic, get it towed, and then I'm gonna try and look at the parts right now and see how much it'll cost. So as you can see right here, there's one for $300 right here, but then there's another for $150. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that one and then get that shipped here. So $150 is a pretty good deal, and they got free returns. So I'll pay $150. So we're still under that $15,000 mark. I don't think I'll have to spend more than $15,000 on this car to get it up and going. I think it's worth at least $16,500. So I'm gonna buy one of these AC compressors, and then I'm not sure how many air compressors it needs, but I don't think it needs too many. So let's see, if it's a turbocharged one, as you can see, and this is the base sedan, but it's also the 4MATIC. So yeah, I think this is the one. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it now, and then proceed to checkout, and then I'll tap back in with you guys in a moment.